Tucker has an update on the potential for severe weather later on tonight. Tucker.
Yeah, that wind always a sign that we have a big change coming. And in the case today, it's been a warm-up. It's been pretty nice overall today weather-wise, but that oftentimes comes with a big change when you have these warmer temperatures later in the year. And you can see that here just in our hour-by-hour planner. We go from upper 50s, even as late as about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tonight, back down. And you can't even see the morning here, but all the way into the 30s by the start of tomorrow morning, upper 20s in some spots too. That's a cold front coming in, and cold fronts, once again this time of year, often mean storms. Such is the case tonight. 57 is your current temperature downtown. We have a wind out of the south right now at 17 miles per hour. That's been very noticeable today. But so far, it's been just mostly to partly cloudy throughout the daytime. Couple showers moved through. There was a weak storm that passed through Lafayette up towards Peru out there and now is exiting the state. But overall, our weather has been at least a bit quieter as far as our satellite and radar goes. Not the case for the entire country right now, and not the case for us as we get later into the evening too. You can see we have some storm warnings across places like Mississippi into Tennessee and Alabama too. More widespread severe weather is expected ahead of this cold front. For us, we're seeing a little bit of shower activity now closer to the front. It's developing here in western Illinois, and these showers, which really aren't very noticeable yet, will continue to grow and strengthen as this front makes its way in our direction this evening. So it's what's occurring out here that we'll be watching closely, and that should come through the state as soon as about 10 o'clock and exit by around 3 or 4 in the morning. So it'll be more of an overnight threat for us, and we'll play that out for you here on CBS 4 Future View. You can see those showers and storms popping up. A few may be strong. It's certainly not out of the realm of possibility that we could see some severe wind gusts, though most of these storms will not be severe. That being said, again, a few of these will be quite strong, and we'll see this line, a smaller line at that, move through the state through those overnight hours, getting through the metro area around midnight, and then eventually these storms begin to exit the state, as mentioned, by around 3 or 4 a.m. And once they're out, we're going to see a lot of clearing by the start of tomorrow morning, and a lot of cooling too. And that brings me to the second part of our forecast, the second big story. It's this much colder air you're seeing to the west. I mean, it's 26 in Des Moines, Iowa, 34 in Kansas City, Missouri, and on the other side of the state, it's still in the 60s in St. Louis, 57s here in Indianapolis, and we're looking at these temperature drops to be very quick. So by the time you're waking up tomorrow morning, we'll be looking at lows back perhaps in the upper 20s and highs tomorrow that may have a tough time getting out of the mid 30s. You factor in the winds too, though. We're going to go from what feels like 60 degrees right now to what'll feel like the mid-teens by the time you're walking out the door tomorrow morning. So be prepared that the change is going to be very quick and certainly very noticeable by the start of tomorrow. So two pieces to be mindful of in our weather this evening. Temperatures will remain cold through Thursday. That sun will come out though, luckily, and then we get back on the up and down weather with a couple more storm chances, or at least rain chances, as we get into the weekend and into the start of next week too.